Hi. This doodle started out on my way to my next appointment, which was for my ultrasound for my carotid arteries. Um, which actually ended up no problems, which is a good thing. But I want to thank you all for your words of encouragement. Thank you. It means a lot to me. I'm going to switch formats here and address something that I think is important. This is my, I guess, Christmas edition of this series, and what I want to say is, although I use these for therapy, for not only hand-eye coordination, but also as a way to make me talk. Because I used to work retail, but now that I'm retired, I no longer have the interaction and the speaking opportunities I once had. So I also use these as a way to talk. Now I also will read from a book, but I'm hoping I will be able to get up the courage to do live streaming next year. I have a webcam that I may be able to use, but I'm not 100% sure. And I have the phone there that I can hopefully use for live streaming in the way of monitoring chats that go on in the live stream. But basically, today since it's Christmas, I want to address the selfish aspect of the season, in that I want you next year to gift yourself the gift of expressing your own creativity. Whether it's for painting or doodling or getting out in the garden and expressing your creative juices by appreciating the plants you're going to be planting or reaping, or the simple act of allowing yourself to be creative and do it in such a way that you release yourself from the idea that you have to be perfect as you create. Just have fun creating. For a long time, my mode of creating, other than artwork, was finding ways of helping people with solutions that they can incorporate into their life as a massage therapist. So since I no longer massage, I think the idea of giving you a means of creating improves your overall life. Now, I'm by no means a great artist. I do things that I enjoy, yes, but I'm not, or at least I try not to be controlled by what other people think of my work, because my style of doodling is not for everybody. So too, you need to find out what makes you happy. And as long as you're not infringing on anybody else's life, you're good to go. With regards to doodling, what do you like to doodle? Do you like to doodle shapes or patterns? Do you like more abstract, like I'm doing now? A combination? Do you like to include symbols in your doodle, whether or not other people understand the meaning between you and your world? It doesn't matter. I guess what I'm trying to say is do what makes you happy, not what other people say should make you happy. The older you get, like me, the more you come to realize that everybody will have an opinion on just about everything. Whether or not you allow your happiness to be dictated by someone else is all up to you. And another thing I want to say is, basically, I've said it before in other videos, but take a look around you and, I guess, smell the coffee. although I don't drink coffee because, again, I really never got into coffee. But anyway, take the time to breathe and look around your world, because your world is based on your past and to an extent your future possibilities. I think the more open you are to life in general, you have the opportunity to live a broader life. And I may be a little prejudiced, but I think expressing your creativity is supremely important, not just on a day-to-day basis, but also for the grander scheme of things. And I don't know how you celebrate Christmas, or if you celebrate Hanukkah or Kwanzaa. The important thing is the love that actually is inherently present in everybody. Sometimes people are more angry than at other times, but just remember that just as you don't want to live by anybody else's standard, you don't want to maybe force your standards on anybody else. Because everybody has their own life to live and their own lessons that they have to learn along the way. So I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, you can subscribe or not, depending upon what you want to do. Let's see. So far, I like this. I want to add a little bit more detail, because I like detail. So I am now stepping off of my soapbox, but consider what I've said. So the next video I'm going to recommend to you is another one of my therapy videos, and also one of my other videos. In either case, I hope you enjoyed the video and got inspired to allow yourself the freedom to create in whatever mode you choose. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Of course, I forgot that I wanted to add a little bit of around the orb here, so I apologize for that. And you know I'm me. I will always find more stuff to do. So really, this is the end of this. Bye.